Thought we was on the petrodollar. I thought the petrodollar meant everything. With all of the fighting going on, the wars, everybody losing their life. All of these wars was being fought, people losing their lives over the petrodollar. But what you think about free energy? And the government banned have free energy. Time travel equals free energy. No matter how you want to get around it, it's free energy. Tesla was telling everybody that.
I want to talk about time travel. I'm looking forward to this all day. I've been looking forward to talking with Ashton Forbes all day in the secret technology. Yes, the White House admitting this week, on the record, by the way, that we possess the technology to manipulate time and space.
For entertainment purposes only.
Teleportation technology, like the very same technology that was used to make MH370, Malaysian Airlines Flight 370, disappear in thin air on camera. And by the way, the people that are like, oh, that video's
I'll show you how on my YouTube channel.
No, it hasn't.
During the very beginning of the YouTube channel, I show you how to create it.
And the man who helped really uncover the story from the beginning is Ashton Forbes, one of our favorite guests here on the show. I call him a physicist because he is citizen journalist and one of the most prolific individuals in this space, and just thrilled to have you on the show. Ashton, great to have you. Welcome back to the show, my friend.
Thanks, Clayton. Feelings mutual. It's always fun to talk to you.
Blast. I hope we have fun here. I'm really looking forward to this. So this is the reason I wanted to have you on, is because of this bombshell. There's a couple of stories over the past couple of weeks that kind of came out. I want to play this first soundbite from General Quast. Now he worked in Colorado, training individuals, and he saw this technology basically, I think, on the desks of Air Force engineers in the United States Air Force. And it was basically admitting that we have these incredible technologies that allows us to teleport, transport in ways that you blow your mind. So let me just play a few seconds of this. Watch this one.
The technology is on the engineering benches today, but most Americans and most in Congress have not had time to really look deeply at what's going on here. But I've had the benefit of 33 years of studying and becoming friends with these engineers and these scientists. This technology can be built today with technology that is not developmental to deliver any human being from any place on planet Earth to any other place in less than an hour. To deliver Wi-Fi from space where you never need a cell tower to connect.
Terrence Howard one line. Mitchell Okaku know exactly what I'm saying. They know, and everybody else know this stuff is real. And everybody, hey, look, we paying all of these bills, electricity, your gas in your car, all of that is all BS. All of this is BS. I'm breaking it now.
To deliver.
Yeah. And then this just happened over the past 48 hours. Trump White House official of Science and Technology Policy Director Michael Kriatsos said that we possess the technology that can manipulate time and space. Watch.
Our passenger planes are slower than they used to be. Our trains crawl compared to those in other parts of the world. Our cars do not fly. Advances have not stopped, but something has gone wrong. Stagnation was a choice. We have weighed down our builders and innovators. The well-intentioned regulatory regime in the 1970s became an ever-tightening ratchet, first hampering America's ability to become a net energy exporter and then making it harder and harder to build. We seem to have lost focus and vision, to have lowered our sights and let systems and structures and bureaucracies muddle us along. But we are capable of so much more. Our technologies permit us to manipulate time and space. They leave distance annihilated, cause things to grow and improve productivity.
So he's basically, and I love what you tweeted the other day. You pointed out basically he's admitting that we allowed our technology to sort of purposefully stagnate.
Now, they allowed the technology to stagnate. They allowed us to do that. So, and we all paying all of these bills for what? For what? For what? Gas in your car for what? They got free energy. Free energy.
Surrounding the coil acts as an inner cylindrical electrode. The electromagnet produces a magnetic field having an axial component passing between the outer electrode and the inner electrode and having an oppositely directed axial component within the coil. A wire is connected to the inner electrode and passes radially through the field between the electrodes and then out a hole in the outer electrode to one terminal of a voltage sensor. The other terminal of the sensor is connected to the box. In operation, as this assembly is rotated about the axis of symmetry, electrons in the radially extending part of the wire, which intercepts the magnetic field, experience a magnetic force which tends to draw charge from the coil shield through the voltmeter to the outer electrode. The open circuit voltage is given approximately by V equals F of across R times BDR, where V is the line integral of the induced electric field intensity, U cross B. Along the radially extending part of the wire RA is the radius of the inner electrode having an oppositely directed axial component within the coil. RB is the radius of the outer electrode. Omega is the vector angular having an oppositely directed axial component within the coil.
You ready to